Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to work reCAPTCHA in website via Helpdesk app. So let's see about that, how it works. You can see here a module, their Helpdesk website request. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to website and click on this new ticket. So display here not reCAPTCHA option. So first go to settings. In Helpdesk provided here options, enable reCAPTCHA, protection for website form. First allow this. Click on this reCAPTCHA v2 case. Write here label name which you want. Like Devintelle, select here challenges v2. Set here domain name. And now submit this. So copy here this site key and secret key and set here. Let's save. So now link to reCAPTCHA in our Helpdesk website. Again go to website and create new ticket. And see here this now display reCAPTCHA option. Write here ticket name. Like a request for machine. Fill here all details. And without allow this option when you try to submit, then not allow because it's enabled. So first allow this I'm not robot. And now enable these options. Submit. So now ticket request is submitted successfully and display here this number. Now go to Helpdesk app. Go to tickets and display here this your created ticket. So using this our app reCAPTCHA check that the user is a human and block spam or bot submission. So it's security for this our app Helpdesk form submission. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.